UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has revealed plans to lift some of the major COVID-19 restrictions, including face masks and social distancing, from 19th of July. He stressed upon the importance of personal responsibility over government-imposed restrictions.
We will allow all businesses to reopen, including nightclubs. We will lift the limit on named visitors to care homes and on numbers of people attending concerts, theatre and sports events. We will end the 1 metre plus rule on social distancing and the legal obligation to wear a face covering, although guidance will suggest where you might choose to do so, especially when cases are rising and where you come into contact with people you don't normally meet in enclosed spaces, such as obviously crowded public transport.
Let's just break this down for you. Here are some of the changes, major changes announced by the UK government. That is, face masks and social distancing rule will be scrapped in about 2 weeks' time. People will not be required to wear a face mask by law. The government aims to transition to a system where people would be allowed to make a decision. Legal limits on indoor and outdoor gatherings will be lifted on 4th of September. Businesses, including nightclubs, will be allowed to operate. People can now also start working from home. These announcements come with a warning that the country might witness more than 50,000 COVID cases a day by the 19th of July. Let's listen in.
There could be 50,000 cases detected per day by the 19th. And again, as we predicted, we're seeing rising hospital admissions, and we must reconcile ourselves, sadly, to more deaths from COVID.
Now, 45 million people in UK have been partially vaccinated. 33 million people are fully vaccinated. The UK government has reduced the interval between 2 doses from 12 to 8 weeks for those under 40 years of age. This is now to help speed up the vaccination drive and make sure that everyone above the age of 18 gets their jabs as soon as possible. Boris Johnson had initially planned to fully reopen the country by 21st of June. However, he was forced to push the date amid rising cases of the highly contagious Delta variant. This variant now accounts for nearly all COVID-19 cases in Britain. The government's emphasis on personal judgment has concerned health experts. They say that allowing people to make their own choices means that handing over control of some of the least caring members of the society. UK's opposition party thinks that Johnson is moving too fast with his reopening plans. Labour Party leader Keir Starmer has called this plan reckless.
We all want the restrictions to be lifted, and we are going to have to find a way of living with the virus. But that can't just be a soundbite. We need a proper plan, and to throw off all protections at the same time when the infection rate is still going up is reckless.
Now, London Mayor Sadiq Khan has said that further discussions are planned over mask wearing in public transport. Meanwhile, the UK government is also expected to allow fully vaccinated Britons to travel to most countries in Europe without the 10-day quarantine. However, European countries have shown no sign of relaxing their rules to allow travellers from Britain. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.